Hello, my name is Barbara. I represent the TBI Group of companies. One of these is Domgos II, where we have the pleasure of hosting you. Our production process involves welding, steel processing such as turning, milling, and cutting. For this purpose, we are expanding our machine park with the latest CNC machines as well as a new acquisition, a cutting machine from Eckert.
I am Marek, a technologist programmer at Domgos II, located in Poland. We purchased the machine to streamline our production line, speed up sheet metal cutting technology, and an additional advantage was the ability to cut with a 3D head. We were very decisive about the technological solutions found in the machine, the ability to cut simultaneously with plasma and gas, and the beveling of elements. We really wanted to relieve our crew from manually beveling elements. By applying appropriate nesting and processing, we can perform this task automatically on our machine. Our cooperation with Eckert went smoothly. If we had any questions, we received a quick response, and in case of problems, they provided good advice.